I'm doing good. Thank you. How about
Good
you?
to hear that. Yeah, I'm pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. Yeah, I'm okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
I,
So,
it's raining outside, and I think
oh,
rainy season is looming here in Tokyo.
oh, really?
And according to the weather forecast, sometime soon,
Mm,
officially, the rainy season just arrived here in Tokyo. It's
really?
air becoming the humid and muggy, and temperature is not so high, but because of humidity, it has made me feel like it's very hot. So
Oh, I see, I see.
I've been turning on my air conditioner all the time
All the
today.
time. Okay. So it's very expensive for the electricity, right? Yeah, yeah.
Electricity bills, yeah, I
Bills,
just a little
yeah.
bit worry about upcoming incoming electricity bills, and but cannot be helped.
Yes, yes, yes. That's actually what happened to us as well. This month and last month, it was so
Hmm.
hot, really, the hottest temperature, I guess, this year. Uh, so our electricity bill doubled as well. Yeah,
Mm,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's
It's
right, that's
terrible.
right.
But
Yeah.
but hopefully, also rainy season is also coming, so we can
Mhm.
stop using air condition and
Mm,
electric fan will be okay. That's right.
right, that's
Yes.
right.
How's it going? Like with your job? How's your job nowadays?
Um,
Mhm.
my boss will be leaving the office next month.
Oh.
He's just started packing his belonging,
Mm.
uh, and just ready for the moving to the Germany,
Oh,
and
really?
he's going to Germany, and I think he's thinking about the Germany, and not so interested in a current job,
Oh,
and so
okay.
he's been taking leave now,
Mm-hmm.
and so because of this, it's our we are not so busy,
Oh,
and
okay.
while he was I don't know, he's a type of person makes employee jump in the hoops, but nowadays because of he's leaving
He's
soon,
leaving soon, yeah.
he's not so interested in a current job we do.
Oh, I see.
So that's very office atmosphere is
Mm,
becoming relaxed, or
very relaxed.
we are not busy now.
Wow. So who will be taking over his duty as the manager?
It's new boss will
Oh, there's a
arrive
new boss.
in our office. I think it's 15th July.
Mm-hmm.
Next month, a new boss
Next
will
month.
be just arrived in our office,
Mm-hmm.
and I think 2 weeks, my current boss will take over. No, no, the new boss will
New
take
boss will
over
take
the
over.
job from my current boss.
I
And
see.
yeah, I hear that the new boss will be a female
It's a
boss.
female.
It's first time for me to work for a
A
female
female
boss,
boss. Okay.
and I'm a little bit worried about female. I don't want to talk about gender
Gender
discrimination,
discrimination. Yeah, of
but
course.
generally speaking, a female employee tend to have monthly, just monthly what's what
Menstruation.
administration,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
before and after administration, they tend to become emotional. That thing I just a little bit worry,
Uh-huh.
and hopefully we are not affected
Affected,
by
yes.
our mood or emotional.
Uh, ish.
That's the thing.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Wow, it's a sudden change, or a big change in your company.
Right,
Is
right.
she also a Japanese? This new
I
manager?
think she's American.
Oh, she's
American,
American.
yeah, American super.
Really? Oh, so your company is an international company, is that right?
Yes,
Oh,
my
that's
company is
fine.
kind of international,
Wow.
and yeah, so that's we are just looking forward to working for her,
Mm-hmm.
and she's a nice guy, nice person, and
Yes.
a nice boss. That's what we hope.
Oh, yeah, of course. Hoping for the best, right?
Hoping
Well,
for the best.
yeah. Well, it would be a great practice and training for you in speaking English, right?
I think
Yeah.
so. I think so. Yes, it's a
Wow.
good. It's a good to practice
That's right.
English,
That's right.
and
Yeah.
yeah,
You'll
that's
have
right.
more exposure in speaking English in your company,
That's
your
right.
office.
That's
Wow.
correct. Yes, you say that. Yes.
The
So
current manager is Japanese, is that right?
yeah, current manager is Japanese,
Oh, I
and
see.
he's leaving for Germany.
Germany, yes.
And he said he used to station in Germany
Mm-hmm.
before he knows how it works in Germany, and
I see.
he's looking forward to just working in Germany, and yeah, so the, that's the situation we have now.
So you will be working for another company, right, in Germany? Not the same company.
He will be same company,
Oh,
the
same
branch
company.
office,
Oh,
yeah,
really?
branch office, and
I see.
yeah, so.
Wow. So is it
Same.
like a promotion or what?
I think the same grade, but just
Hmm,
transfer out,
I see.
and
Same
same
grade.
grade level, but different kind of job.
So when we say same grade, it's the same salary, even though it's a different currency, different
I
country.
think basic way is the same,
Mm-hmm.
but I think a special allowance will
Oh,
be paid
yes, yes,
to
yes,
the
yes.
employees who work in
Mm-hmm.
overseas,
That's right, that's right.
and yeah, so he will get oversee kind of allowance or
Mm-hmm.
something.
Okay. Does he have a family? Uh, is he going there with his family?
I think he's take his wife and children
I see.
to Germany, and also he bring his dog to Germany.
Oh, really? Wow. He
He's
must love his
he,
dog.
he 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 keeps
Husky.
husky,
Oh, that's great.
quite a big dog,
Wow.
and yeah,
It's really like a family to them, right? That's nice.
right, that's right, that's right,
Yeah. Wow.
yeah. I actually I got a phone call. I think
Oh,
this is from my office, and I need to take this phone call. So
yep, yep,
that
yep, that's fine.
would it be possible to just
Yeah,
end this
it's okay.
lesson
Yes, yes.
today?
All right.
It's nice talking to you. Thank you for your
Yeah, anyway, thank
time.
you so much
So
too.
see you next
Yes.
time.
See you again next
Thank
time. Yes,
you.
have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.